Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick tutorial where I'll show you how to display code in your WordPress posts using a WordPress plugin. If you're sharing code on your website, this method makes your code snippets not only look great but also easier to read and copy. Let's dive in. So, to let you know, we can show our code in our blog post using the WordPress default code block. Here, just insert the code block, place your code and save. Finally, see your results by viewing the blog post. Since the design was very simple, we will use a plugin to further customize the code block with more options and features. We need to install the plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, click on Plugins and then select Add New. In the search bar at the top, type Enlighter, Customizable Syntax Highlighter, by Andy Dietrich, or choose another plugin that suits your needs. Once you find it, click Install Now, and after that, hit Activate. Once activated, the plugin is ready to use, no complex configuration needed just yet. Now that the plugin is installed, let's configure it to suit your needs. From the dashboard, navigate to Enlighter and then Appearance. Here you can adjust several settings to customize how the code will look on your site. For example, you can choose between different theme options, which can match your site's overall design. Here I will use the classic theme. You can also enable line numbers to make it easier for readers to follow along. Now click on the toolbar, from where you can enable or disable various options. Once you've set it up the way you want, make sure to click Save Changes. With the plugin configured, let's add some code to your post. Open the post editor in WordPress. Wherever you want to insert your code, add the block named Enlighter source code. And simply add the code snippet. You can change the code language by clicking on Generic Highlighting. You can change this to any language, such as HTML, CSS, or PHP, depending on the code you're adding. And that's all there is to it. Using a plugin like Enlighter, Customizable Syntax Highlighter is a fast and efficient way to display clean, readable code on your WordPress site. It's a great tool for developers or anyone sharing code snippets with their audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, share it with others, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.